You know that glow that feels like sunlight from within? The kind that doesn't come from makeup, but from balance, care, and something ancient. That's where this story begins, with two ingredients that have journeyed across centuries and cultures. In South Asia, turmeric wasn't just a spice, it was a blessing. Brides were bathed in golden paste before their weddings, symbolizing purity, joy, and radiance. That same golden dust, rich in antioxidants, quietly soothed skin and brought a calm, even glow. Meanwhile, in Japan, something magical brewed in the quiet hum of fermentation. From koji, the humble mold behind sake and miso, scientists discovered Kojic Acid, a natural brightener born from tradition. It helped soften dark spots, gently, gradually, like dawn melting into daylight. Two worlds, two rituals, both guided by nature and refined by science. Today, AMVital brings these timeless elements together, turmeric and kojic acid, in a form that feels modern, pure, and kind to your skin. No harsh bleaches, no quick fixes, just a simple bar that works in harmony with your body's rhythm, brightening softly, caring deeply. Each wash becomes a whisper from history, a moment of calm where nature meets science, and your confidence begins to glow. Because real beauty doesn't start on your skin, it begins in how you care for it. AMVital, where ancient wisdom and gentle innovation meet to bring out your natural radiance. Want more stories that connect skin, nature, and self-care? Hit subscribe and let's keep glowing together.